people asked, who are you to challenge me? Just a powerless dungeon explorer, as far as I can see. In the great Marovia, humble Apollo, the noble seeks a crown. And how could a mere village mayor dare to strike me down? And thus he spoke, and thus he spoke, the noble of Merovia. And now the rains weep upon his grave, with no one there to hear. Yes, the rains weep upon his grave, with not a soul to hear, no living soul to